What a beautiful landscape, you guys.
Naxos Island is the largest of all the Cyclades. It's an island that often overlooked by many tourists. We fell in love with its pristine sandy long beaches, gorgeous landscapes, and its super laid-back vibes.
Try lang.
Yes, there are so many great things to see and enjoy here. Today's video, we will take you to some of the best beaches in Naxos. So we're gonna start our day at the great seaside village of Agios, Prokopios. It's a 10-minute drive from our hotel in Naxos Old Town. Agios Prokopios is an amazing place to hang out and chill. We love to spend our morning and breakfast here.
Got our iced coffee from this bakery, local bakery, and this is really good, guys. So I got a free carrot cake. It's homemade. It's for free, guys.
Not only you can find trendy cafes, restaurants, and accommodations here, but there's a stunning long beach, making it as the one of the best seaside towns we've ever been in all Greece.
So we will go somewhere where we don't need to pay for a sunbed and umbrella.
As a favorite tourist attraction on the island, it can be super touristy here. But the place is pretty huge, so there's enough spot for everyone.
Oh my god, it looks so blue now. The sun is completely out. Finally. It's so clear. It's like I'm back to the Caribbean.
Really?
Now there's a spot right behind the beach of Agios Prokopios that really caught our attention. These are a series of pink lakes. It's a natural salty lake with pinkish to red color. It looks very interesting and fascinating from above. The lakes naturally sink in high summer and became a parking for visitors.
Some salt.
Salty lagoon.
Yeah, it's all salt. Look, guys. It's actually huge. It's up until there. Right?
3 lakes.
We gonna go to that side, guys. I think there's a nice viewpoint over there.
There's a lot to see in Agios Prokopios. Aside from the pink lakes that we found so fascinating, we also found a beautiful secluded spot at the hill, still near Agios Prokopios. We did a little hiking adventure and we discovered beautiful picture-perfect spot.
Wow. Oh my god, I want to go swimming here, Honig. It's so nice, right? Here, we're gonna go down. There's some private boats. Let's continue our hiking. So I wanted to get into the water earlier. Thankfully I didn't, because look at the waves now. It's getting crazier. It's getting wilder, guys. Oh my goodness.
What a blissful moment it is. This is such a very nice feeling whenever we discover amazing random spots every time we travel. You just have to be curious all the time and be ready to do some adventures, and then you will be rewarded with amazing views. Just some simple things that make us happy.
I'm gonna get some bites here, just small bites. You want gyros or the pita? Hi.
2 gyros pizza to go.
Yes, of course. Gyros pita pork, 1, 2.
Pork or chicken?
I want chicken too. So guys, we're taking a break. Philip got gyros pork and I got gyros chicken and some drinks here in a shaded place with the beach view. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, our day doesn't end yet because we're gonna go and visit another beach town called Agia Ana. Just about 3 minutes drive from Agios Prokopios, or if you don't have a car or motorbike, you can also walk. It's only about 1 kilometer. Just like the Agios Prokopios town, it's also very lively here. It's filled with cozy cafes, beach clubs, studio apartments, and stuff.
Just 1 kilometer approximately from Agios Prokopios is this nice beach again named Agia Ana. Just gonna find a spot where we don't need to pay for umbrella and sunbed. So looks nice here. All the beaches here are equally beautiful, guys. I need to get into the water because I'm feeling so hot right now. But here it's so fresh. Fresh. I just found the daddy shark here. Where's the baby shark? Baby shark. Do, 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 do. There are already so many people here waiting for the sunset.
After a long, fun day at the beach, we finally decided to go back to the main town, caught the sunset, and had a lovely dinner.
Shrimp souvlaki with basmati rice. And that one is chicken souvlaki. Das ist mit Couscous, oder?
Salat, ja.
Omelette.
Ist das dein?
So the next day, we drove to the southern part of Naxos. About 32 minutes drive, we've come to a beach called Agios Beach.
We're here at the beach called Agios. We actually came here randomly. Our plan is to go to Plaka Beach, which is way more popular. And it looks so nice here. And it's so empty as well. I've already checked the water temperature. It's a bit colder. I don't think we can get into the water now, but I think it's a nice spot to fly the drone. The temperature is hotter now, a little bit. We have this very nice backdrop. This mountains. The water is also really nice. It's so cool, so clean, and actually it's so shallow here. and the waves are also calm. So this is also like Plaka Beach. It's very undeveloped, and you can just see those houses here from the locals, I guess, and there's no restaurants or cafes nearby, but I saw one mini mart somewhere. So we're back to the car, and then we will go for a little road trip on this side here. Yeah, so let's go. So guys, we came from that direction, from Agios beach, and then we just park here, and then there's a little beach here, and there are also some people coming here, so we decided to check it out. It looks so blue, guys, so nice. So it's a series of little beaches. There's one here, and then at the back of that little cliff there's another one, and then there's another one here on this side. So it's quite rocky. Bist du hier schwimmen? You wanna go swimming here? I want to check that one over there. I think it's beautiful. Oh, that's nice. Looks so clean as well. This to here. Oh my god, it's so beautiful here. Let's go a little hiking up there. Let's check the view. Philip is already there, and I'm still here enjoying this beautiful view. Oh my goodness, guys, what a beautiful landscape, you guys. Oh my god, I really love when we discover some random places, because our main goal for today is to go to Plaka Beach, and we've never been there yet. Look at us, we're still here discovering random places that we didn't expect to see. Naxos is really beautiful island. Wow, my god, look how beautiful. I'm not exaggerating, it's really true.
They said that Naxos is a hidden gem, and we couldn't agree more. It's not only the biggest in the Cyclades group of islands, but it is also the greenest one. Aside from the magnificent beaches, there are also mountains and green valleys to enjoy. We really enjoyed our time here, and we love to see those natural, stunning landscape this island has. Naxos has indeed exceeded our expectations. We went swimming again and just enjoyed the moment while we are here before we headed to Plaka Beach.
We actually don't know which side were we going, left or right, I don't know. But yeah guys, we are here at Plaka Beach. So this is one of the most famous beaches here in Naxos, and it's also really huge. And from here you can also see Paros on the other side. So yeah, it's also really nice. It's huge, and also there's a lot of seaside houses on the other side.
But it was already late in the afternoon when we finally reached the Plaka Beach. So we decided not to go swimming anymore because the water temperature was already a little bit chilly. Looking around, we've seen so many nice boho-style restaurants and cafes. It has a super trendy vibe like in Tulum and other tropical travel destinations.